So will this work? Okay, here we are. So, okay, so what I want is right, copper-wise. So what we're doing is we make a scanner, which is 1 copper. I mean, why did I put it all the way over there? We even... There you go. A scanner which is 1 copper. Amazing. A Sea Glide, which is 3 copper. Notepad++. This is just an online... I've got a browser capture ready, so I just found one online. Just online Notepad. It's a lot easier than setting up a capture for something new. So, hey, a rig. Then we make a habitat builder, which is... Why am I suddenly drawing a blank? It's 3 copper again. Then we make a solar panel, which is 1 copper. Nice joke in the title. Thanks, someone. And then we make 2 batteries, which is obviously 2 copper. After that, we get 11 copper. Okay. So this total is maths 13, 14, 17, 20, 21 copper. 21 copper. I used to have a notepad with all this. Probably should have just got out the notepad. That's fine. So if I have 21 copper, this is 21 to 22 titanium. No, no, it'll be 20. It'll be 20 to 21 titanium. Okay. 20 to 21. Now, titanium-wise, 1 is taken. So this again. So that was copper. So now the scanner takes 1. The Sea Glide takes 1. The O2 tank takes 3. The ashes. The base takes it's 2 for that, 2 for that, 2 for that. So 6, and then plus some that I get back later. Then the fabricators inside the base take 2, and the lockers take 4. Is there a new glitch? So this is routing. So a combination of, I believe it was Doofy, who pestered me last stream, hey mercy, and Camden. Oh man, I feel Camillus. There's 2 very similar names in Discord. Camillus. Base takes 8. 2 for solar. 2 for compartment. 2 for hatch. Isn't it 6? Where's the 8? Does one of these cost like 3? No, the solar takes 2. Turtle base. No, the rest of the base I don't mind, because we deconstruct that, right? We deconstruct that. So, doing some science. Yeah, so got that. Lockers 4. So this is everything. Is this everything? What if I want to panic? Ho ho, you cannot. You don't get any of you don't get any of this 6 back. I get the 8 back though. I get the other 6 back. So that means that 10, 15, 17 metal, right? That's 17 metal. Okay. So we gather 20 to 21, but then we also pick up X amount of metal salvage. Plus X, which is 4 times X. So if I've got 20 to 21 plus 4 times x I guess it's 20 plus like 1 if you want to do the 20 plus 1 question mark. Hey random, hey a certain cat, hey Omni, hey VX. Watching you or going outside and exercising? I'd recommend going outside and exercising if you feel like it. Hey Eggroll. If you feel like going and exercising, go and exercise. I appreciate the viewers, I definitely do. I really like that people are here to watch. But if you want to go and exercise, then go for it. Hey Jurassic. Just needs to be 4x. Yeah, I guess. Plus 4x. Minus 21. And I want that to equal 47. No, minus 17. Minus 17. Right? So, what we have here is 3 plus 4x plus 1 equals 47. Because that's... the minimum I need is actually 37. But that doesn't work as well, because I'm getting in sets of 2. So 47 is better. So what we've got, 4x plus 1 is 44. So that's 11. X equals 11. So, and the 1 is not necessary. So the 1 question mark can be just a 0. That's fine. So it could have been 1 or 0 depending on whether we needed it to be. That's fine. X is 11. We also need 1 later. We need then... And then the 2 we pick up later is fine. So I need to pick up 11 salvage. No. This is wrong. Upgraded O2 tank takes another 4. So it's actually 21. It's actually 21. So it's actually minus 1 plus this. So it's this 45. Right? No, 48. 48. Hey, Tactico. Hey, Malafi. Yeah, new route, question mark. Hey, Jim-san. I think I missed you. So it's actually 48. So that's X is 12. Hey, Acidian. Welcome. So I need to pick up 12 metal salvage throughout the run. 12 metal salvage initially. And then I need to... initially, and then I need to get the 1 on the way to Aurora, 1 on the way to Sposs. So 12 metal salvage initially is... So this is going to be more maths. I'd like to split this page in 2 ideally, but... can I make like a text box with you? So we don't need this maths anymore, I guess. I can just make a new page. Sure. So I got this. 12 metal salvage initially, 1 on the way to Aurora, 1 on this. So, with that, hey Doofy, 1080 stream, what is this? This is online notepad. And I think it was you that was saying, why don't you just duplicate all this metal? Was it you, Doofy, or was it Deseroth? Hey, Star K9. Hey, Lesd. So 12 metal salvage initially is what I actually want to pick up. What I get is 2 metal salvage from the dog farming, because I have enough space for 2, and I can bring that back. So 2 from the dog farming. I get like 1 from the 1 from the mushroom / table coral farming. Yeah? I get like... I generally get 1 then. Potentially 2. 1, potentially 2. And then it's whether we get... Do we get any on the initial... On the initial sea glide loop, so through the coral tube, I generally pick up like 1. That's a question mark though. It can be like between 0 and 3, I reckon. Between 0 and 3. And then on the second route, so on the second sea glide loop, we get about 1. We get like 0 to 1. Why have I been inconsistent with this? Does the direct titanium not count? So in the previous maths, which unfortunately I don't think I can go back to. This was the previous maths. So this was the titanium maths. So this was the titanium we get from rocks. So because every 2 rocks you break are 1 titanium and 1 copper. Every single time. I know I just say it for the first time, but it's every single 2 rocks. Okay. That means that if we know how much copper we're going to get, we know how much titanium we're going to get from those rocks. So that's 20 to 21. Right? Hey, Agoro. A lot of maths. Hey, SDW. And with 20 to 21, we know what we need to use with it. So we can figure out that we need 12 metal salvage. Okay? Hopefully this is... what's redo? There we go. So 12 metal salvage. So we're trying to figure out where we get the 12 metal salvage from. So if that, so like that's a max. So this is before I do the sandstone gathering. So that's sure irradiation, whatever. Before sandstone gathering, that's between 3. My chair's in the wrong place again. I have it different for when I'm working. I lean back a lot more when I'm working because coding I don't need to be as straining my eyes as I do with this. Straining's a bad word, but I can't think of a good one. So before sandstone, that's 3 to... maths. Why can I suddenly not do math? 3 to 8. So that means sandstone plus is... I need 12. So that's... 9 to 4. 4 to 9. Depending on stuff. What languages are you coding in? Terraform, Chef, Python occasionally, Kotlin, Groovy, Java, Ruby. Did I say Ruby? No, loads. Just loads. Hey, Arid. Hey, Vint. How much metal before getting back to go to sparse? What? How much metal do you need before getting back to go to the sparse? So this is all the... So with new route, this is all the metal I need, and I'm trying to figure out where that's coming from. And then we will duplicate the other 6 ingots. So we're going to duplicate... This is from duplication. Hey, Linus. Remember me? Yeah, you were here, like, last week. Hey, Finn. As. Hey, Basic. Welcome, welcome. Hey, Tex. So we need 4 to 9. But now we need to go in depth even more. So sandstone, right? I need 12 silver and 9 gold, right? So that's 21 slots. Inventory space... Inventory space is 6 times... but I need to know what I have on me. 6 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 30, 39. 39. Bye, floater. Oh. Inventory space is 39. And then while I'm getting 12 silver and 9 gold. So 12 silver and 8 gold, before we do a 9 gold. 12 silver and 8 gold is gets me 12 lead. I need 6 of that lead. So this is all just stuff I've already looked into, but now we're looking into it further to see if we can reroute some of this stuff. So this is like stuff we already knew. So we already knew this happened. 6 to 12 lead. No, we get 12 lead and we only want 6. So we have 6 spare. But we get the full 12 lead. So this is already, assuming if I dump everything, it's fine. What did I 39? So this is 20, 30. This is 32, and then so to get from 32 to 39, well, I can pick up 1. So if I avoid 1 of the lead, that's fine. But this isn't the number I'm actually going for. Hey, Aqua. Might have a health kit on you too. Not during this point of the run, no. So I'm actually going for 12 silver and 9 gold, right? 12 silver and 8 gold is easy. 12 silver and 9 gold. What 12 silver and 9 gold means is that I may get an additional 1 to 6. 1 to 6 garbage. Okay. Silver, lead, whatever. An extra 1 to 6 garbage. So that's between, so in total this is between 33 and maths suddenly goes and 38. Right? So with 33 to 38, that gives me 0 to 1 metal salvage space. Ah, but now we see. We're going to come back to this later. This stuff later. We're going to figure out the metal salvage now. So we've got 0 to 1 metal salvage, and we've got 39 space. 39 divided by 4. Can I just get... There's no calculator in this notepad. Boom.
I can learn to understand you much better.
Shh, you. Wow. Okay. Thanks, Microsoft. Hey, Foxtail. 39 divided by 4. That was so loud, yeah. Is 9.75. You're trying to get rid of ghost storage? No, I'm trying to... So, combination of, I think, Doofy and... Yeah, it's been a while since I've done, like, secondary school maths. Or just any maths, really. Where because secondary school maths was the, like, you go up to the 40 and then divide by 4 and whatever, but... it's just been a while since I've done any maths. I don't know what to do stuff. Salve's girlfriend. So it was a combination of between Doofy and Camelos is making me rethink this initial thing. How are you today? I'm alright. I'm alright. I've already put up the cardboard. I've pre-cardboarded. So that's 9, because we can't do bits. That's 9. So that's technically all I'll ever need. So I don't even need this. Now. Okay. So with 9, but I don't want to get the sandstone first, because sandstone in the top is harder to get rid of quicker. Also, space in the life pod. Why did I go so far away from my life pod? So that's 4 times 8. Oh, really? Can't do that one either. 28, right? No, 32. Yeah. Bah! Maths. Why am I suddenly so bad? Think about too many things. Well, Where was I? Where was I on my journey? 32. 32 space. 32 space in there, which is too much for this because I have... It's not 32 because I'll have flares in there. It's actually 30. But it's 30 to 32. I could take the flares out. I don't want to. I could take the flares out. Hey, John. I could also... What? Shh. Stupid radio. I could also have... Say... Hey, Draconair. I could also have, like, one metal salvage, maybe. Maybe one metal salvage? In there? Maybe two? I think just, like, one. 1 to 2. Maybe just one. So that would be 26 space. 26 space? Oh, this is assuming... So if I have a metal salvage here, then that's a metal salvage from the initial Seaglide loop. Right? No. Is it? No, that would be... Yeah, one metal salvage from this, so that would be like 4 to 8. Sure, that's fine. So 26... But that would mean I'd only need like 8 here. Which would be 35. But that's still too many. 26 I can fit in 9. No, not 9. That's not how... Is that how maths works? No. No, 26 I can fit in 6. Wow. Wow, I'm bad today. 26 I can fit in 6. If I take out the flares I can fit in 7. So let's assume we get 1 from like this bit here. So this is 4 to 8. So I need 5 to 9. No. 4 to 8. And then this is 6. 6 potentially 7. No, I can definitely take 1 down. So if I can take 1 down, this is actually 2. So this is 5 to 8. So this is 4 to 7. So then if I take out the flares... Hey, Sunset. Hey, Speedrunner. Welcome, welcome. So if I take out the 2 flares, I can get to 7. And that's assuming 1 from the initial Seaglide loop, 1 from the second Seaglide loop. Only 1 from the mushroom table. Sure. If I get 2, I don't need to dump out the flares. So if I get an extra 1 there. And then I can get 6. So I get an additional 1 just somewhere from the first 3. Additional from first 3. Okay. This is actually 2, writes 1. Wait, what? Which one? Oh, from the last 3. Initial Seaglide loop. That's fine. No, this is 1. It's 1. It's 1. It's all good. It's 1. It's 1. It's all good. It's 1. So if I get 6 to 8 there, then that's 4 to 6. And that means I can get 6 there. So if I get 6 there... So if I do the sandstone route backwards... So if I go for metal first and then... So if I do... It's good.
Warning, emergency power only. Oxygen production offline.
Hey, Jinx. So if I do the sandstone route backwards, right... So if I go... So have a new duplication glitch. It's like a week old now, so relatively new. So if I do the sandstone route backwards, I go this way. I need to get 6 metal. Ah, but the issue with doing it backwards is sandstone. Doing it backwards is sandstone. That makes an issue. So what's better? So if doing it backwards makes it very complicated sandstone wise, and also maybe makes us go further than we actually need to, because we may not even need to go that far depending on how lucky we are with sandstone. So what we need is to pick up, so what did I put as the thing? 12 metal salvage. We're definitely getting 2 there. And we're saying we're getting 4 from the first bit. So let's just say we get 6, and we need 6. So if I need 6, do I just keep an eye out for 6? While I'm doing, for example, dogs, I would try and note down where 6 are. And then, like, hope to get this. And then getting 6. No. No. Because I'm doing... no, I can't do that. Because I'm not going this way first. I'm not going this way. I'm going to here. And I need 6 before I go in here. So... So say a spawn of like this... I'd need to get like 6 from around the area. Which is trickier than it might seem, because I don't want to force it too much. Go bunch on the way to dogs and drop a load full on them to collect. Like, interesting. Interesting, Leggy. That's not a bad idea. If I can get 8 to the dogs, then I'm set, right? Hey, Effets, welcome, welcome. Hey, username, thank you for the bit. I will bring up... There we go, put the leaderboards up. You are first, congratulations. Yeah, so if I can take 8 to the dogs, then I'm fine. If I can't take 8 to the dogs... Hey, Danny boy, welcome, welcome. Dogs might carry them further away, that is also true. I need to keep an eye on stuff around my base. If I can get, like, a good amount near my base, then I can... So this is all about luck, which is unfortunate. And just keeping an eye on everything. Thank you very much, Maria, for giving a sub to Condor. Thank you very much. Enjoy, Condor. Enjoy. How did you do the glitch again? What glitch? I've only done Super Sea Glide so far. This is just metal routing. It's paycheck day. Well, thank you very much. I'd like it to be day, but I don't want to. That's fine. Six. Let me just pick up 6. Duplication? Oh, you just make some bases and stuff. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'll do it in a bit. We'll do that later. That's not really relevant right now. Because I'm also getting copper. I'm also getting copper. I need to put that in the maths. I'm also getting copper. The worst amount of copper I've ever got is 11. With 11 copper, I'm getting 10 to 11 question mark titanium. Hey, Avish. So that's another 21 to 22 question mark spaces. Does the duplication glitch work on other structures? Yeah, it does. It does. but they're not relevant to any percent. We did a lot of testing, not very relevant. Hey, but welcome, welcome. As you said. This makes it difficult. The copper makes it difficult. Do you just call them puta? No, porta. Porta. Like the name that Porta has. Greetings from Turkey. So 21 to 22. How much space does that leave us? 39 minus 21 to 22 is 17 to 18 question mark. 17 to 18 is 4 metal. But that's not how it's going to go down. That's not how it's going to go down. How it's going to go down is I'm going to get 6 metal and be at 26. Then I'm going to go up to 39. So what I need is 39. What I need is... Wait, how much space did I say was in the life pod? 4 times 8, which is 32, minus... oh, no, it is 26. So I'm getting 24... No, 6 metal is 24, and there's 26 space. So I'm dumping... So what I want is 39 minus 26, which is 13... Hey, Velvet, welcome, welcome. Now we can't see the maths. Oh, sorry, yeah, I keep switching. It's 13, and then I want... The best copper I've had is like 5. So, copper is 10 to 11 to 21 to 22. And this is 31 to 38. But I can dump. I don't care about one of the metal, I guess. I don't care about 6. I don't care about... oh, this is actually 32, right? No, this is 33. 0, it's actually 0 to 6 garbage. So this is, I can get rid of 6 to 12 here, depending on how much it is. Switch to maths. It's on the maths, it's fine. So, with that, that means that the inventory space needed is... Because I only actually need 33. No, I need less than that. I need 27. The inventory space needed is 27 to... No, 37 to... 48. 49. No, 48. 48. 40, like 49, okay. Hey, Brakai, what we doing? Maths. Maths! 37 to 49. And it got 13, so that's... But I've got 39. So 49 minus 13 is 36. So that's good enough. That's good enough. I've got space for 3 extra items. So as long as I dump the lead, I can pick up everything. Once I need to keep track of the sandstone. The copper will do itself, that's fine. Copper will manage itself. Sandstone, once I get to 12, 12, 9, 12, 8, 12, I need to start actually counting. None of this is algebra, you missed the algebra. I can go back to the algebra if you like. No, I can't go back to the algebra, it's too late. You missed the algebra, I'm afraid. This is the part of speedrunning Subnautica I've been avoiding. This isn't really speedrunning Subnautica, this is routing, which is a little bit different. You don't need to do this maths to do routing. That's doable. This is doable. All of this is doable. I just need to be a lot more careful with what lead I'm picking up. I have 3 space. So, yeah, I've got 3 space for garbage, which is assuming worst copper. So this should be actually fine. What I need to do is I pick up the 6 metal salvage, then I pick up more stuff. I'll get full somewhere in there, in the sandstone cave. Okay. All I need to remember is I need to get 6 here. This is a necessity.